Hi, my name is Tania, and I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. I'm an instructional designer, but I actually wear many hats. I'm a great writer, so I help people on grants. I also help them create their storyboards and their narration scripts. I am also a voice artist, so I can record myself. However, in this day and age of AI voices, there's really no need for that. I've recorded my own voice and it's available on 11 Labs, but there's also hundreds of other voices to choose from that sound very, very natural. So I actually don't do much voice work anymore. I can create videos, so I can create explainer videos. I can create screencasts of software. I can create whiteboard videos. I can create cartoon videos of characters talking. I can create talking avatars. Pretty much any video idea you have, I can make it happen. And of course, then I can take everything that has been written in the storyboard, all the videos that have been created, the audio files, and I can create an e-learning course. I work with articulate products, so I work with Storyline and Rise. And there are instances of when you would choose one over the other, and you can dig through my resources that I have available to see which one is a better fit for you. I can tell you now that Rise is more of a level 1, level 2 e-learning, and Storyline has a lot of advanced capabilities. So it's used to build courses from level 1 all the way through level 4. So it's the full spectrum. But I'm not going to get into that right now. You can dig through the resources and learn more about that, or reach out and ask me a question. I am an accessibility expert, so I can perform accessibility checks on existing courses and give you the fixes to fix those. I also create courses that are accessible. So right from the very beginning, I design with accessibility in mind if that is what you want. Not all courses are going to be accessible. And you might be thinking, well, oh, of course I want my course to be fully accessible. Wouldn't everyone? Well, it takes a lot of technical edits underneath the hood, things that nobody ever sees or knows anything about, to make it work with a screen reader. So for people who are blind, if you don't think you're going to have blind people who need to take your course, it is not necessary to spend that extra money. I also perform translations. So I am an expert at performing XLIF translations of the on-screen text. I can also translate your subtitles. And I also have a few solutions for translating audio and video files, because that gets a little more complicated. And what I've turned to these days is AI dubbing. So I do a lot of stuff. Like I said, I don't just work on e-learning courses. I have worked on grants. I've worked with video game producers who are working on their storyline and their characters. I've worked with marketing teams to help generate Instagram reels from existing videos. I've helped students create portfolios of their projects, so I also design websites. I just do so much, it's hard to tell you. So if you have a project and you're not sure where to start, you're not sure what needs to be done, and you're feeling like you just can't get it together, I am a good fit for you, because I can ask all the right questions to get all the right resources right where they need to be to start a project. I can jump on a project midway through. If somebody quits, somebody gets sick, whatever, I can jump in. I can learn very, very quickly. I have a bachelor's degree in chemistry and a master's degree in education. So technical subjects, math, science, I'm very, very comfortable with that. And like I said, I can learn very fast, and I really, really enjoy a challenge. So if you're thinking, well, we're never going to find a fit for this, well, guess what? You just found one. So leave me a message.